Hi kids, happy morning to you all. Hope you all are safe. Children, for today our topic is about days and nights. Earth, our home, is a third planet from the sun, right? It's the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface, and of course life. Children, our Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It's smaller than the four planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But it is larger than the three other rocky planets Mercury, Mars, and Venus. Our Earth so far is the only planet that has life on it. The surface of the Earth is covered with water and land. About 3/4 surface of the Earth is water and 1/4 is land. Our Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air, which is called the atmosphere. Now let's see the shape of the Earth. Earlier, it was thought that the Earth was flat, but now we know that the Earth is round. Hundreds of years ago, sailors have proved that the Earth is round in shape. They started their journey from a certain point, sailed on, and reached at the same point from where they started their journey. This is only possible if the selected path is circular. Our Earth has a diameter of 13,000 kilometers and is round because gravity pulls matter into a ball. But it's not perfectly round. Children, can you tell me why our Earth is called blue planet? This is because our Earth is covered with 3/4 of water. Photographs of the Earth taken by astronauts from space have also proved that the Earth is round in shape. In spite of this proof, the Earth appears flat to us. This is because we can see only a small part of the Earth, and this small part appears flat to us. Children, how can we find out whether our earth is round? Stand at the seashore. Watch a sailing ship. Observe the position of the ship as it sails in the sea. Then you will observe that as it moves, the lower portion of the ship disappears first and the top part disappears later. This happens only when the earth is round in shape. If the earth had been flat, the complete ship would have disappeared at the same time. So this proves our earth is round in shape. So that globe is a model of the earth. It has an axis. Axis means, children, it is an imaginary line. So this globe has an axis and which it can move. Even countries, oceans and so on are marked on the globe. Children, now let's see the movements of the earth. The earth is constantly moving, but we do not feel it because it moves very slowly. The earth shows two types of movements. Do you know what are they? They are rotation and revolution. What are they? Rotation and revolution. The earth spins like a top on its axis all the time. As I said, axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth. It is slightly tilted at an angle of 23.5. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called the rotation. So what is rotation? The spinning of the earth on its axis is called the rotation. Just like a top you have seen, no children? Yes. Children, the earth spins from west to east. West to east. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Therefore, one day and one night together have 24 hours. So, a day has 24 hours. Children, now tell me, which is a model of the earth? Yes, the globe is a model of the earth. And what is the shape of our earth? It is called round. Our earth is also called blue planet. And our earth spins from where? West to east. how we are getting day and night, children? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. And say the two types of movements of earth, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. And why do we not feel the movements of our earth? Because our earth moves very slowly on its axis. Children, you know, Aryabhat was an Indian mathematician and astronomer who believed that the earth is round in shape. Children, now let's see how are days and nights caused. The earth gets its light from the sun. Do you know why? Because our earth is a planet and it has no light of its own. I have told you already. Yes. The part of the earth which faces the sun gets sunlight and has day. The other part away from the sun does not get sunlight and therefore it has night. The earth moves slowly, so the part which was facing the sun also moves away from the sun. But after 12 hours, the dark part which had night turns bright and has day. In this way, due to the movement of the earth, both the parts get sunlight. Do you know, when we call it is a day, the rise of the sun, which means sunrise to sunset, is called day. And when it is called night, from sunset to the sunrise is called night. So which makes day? Sun. Which makes night? Moon. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So the places in the east see the day first, and at the time people in the west have night. And children, you know, Japan is called the land of the rising the sun because the rising sun is seen in Japan first. Okay, so now let's do an activity to find how are days and nights cast. So what do you have to do, children? Place a globe on the table. So children, you need two things to do this activity. One is globe and other thing is torchlight. So first, place a globe on the table. Take a torch and switch it on. See children, you have to do this activity in a dark room. Okay, so here the torch represents the sun and the globe is the earth. Okay, so here torch means what? just imagine torch means sun, globe means earth. Clear? Yes. So the part of the globe receiving the torchlight has day, and opposite part which does not receive the light has night. Now move the globe slowly so that the dark part faces the torchlight. Now this part has day and the other part has night. So children, this is how the days and nights cost. So children, now tell me how we are getting days and nights. The rotation of the earth on its axis, we are getting days and nights. And the earth takes how long to complete one rotation on its axis? Yes, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Therefore, one day and one night together have 24 hours. And which is called the land of the rising the sun? Yes, Japan. And which is the planet only has life on it? The answer is Earth. And the surface of Earth is covered with water and land. And the Earth spins from west to east. And which is the model of the Earth? A globe is the model of the Earth. And can you name the mathematician who believed that the Earth is round in shape? He is Aryabhat. Who is he? Aryabhat. And what is atmosphere? Our Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air called atmosphere. And why our planet is called blue planet? Because the surface of the Earth is covered with water and land. Children, it's time to write your classwork. So take your EVS classwork and complete your index page. Now write the serial number, today date, and lesson 9, days and nights. Right, children? Now take new page and start to write. L in capital, N, 9, D in capital, A, Y, S, days, A, N, D, and N in capital, I, G, H, T, S, nights. First Roman, D in capital, hyphen, W in capital, O, R, D, S, D words. First one, A T M O S P H E R E, atmosphere. Second one is R O T A T I O N, rotation. Third one is R E V O L U T I O N, revolution. Fourth one is G L O B E, globe. Fifth one is A X I S, axis. Sixth one is S P A C E, space. Seventh one is W E E K, week. Eighth one is M E T E O R S, meteors. Ninth one is L E A P, leap. Y E A R, year, leap year. 10th one is S E A S O N, season. Lesson 9, DAYS, days. AND and NIGHTS, nights. Lesson 9, days and nights. First Roman, D, words. WORDS, words. D, words. First one is atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Atmosphere means, you know children, air. நம்மளோட சரௌண்டிங்கில் இருக்கிற ஏர், வளிமண்டலம் இல்லைன்னா காற்று மண்டலம் சொல்லலாம். செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ரொட்டேஷன். ROTATION, rotation. Rotation means, you know children, an object rotate itself. நம்ம தன்னைத்தானே சுத்திக்கிறது தான் rotation. Okay. Third one is revolution. What is that? Revolution. REVOLUTION, revolution. Revolution means, you know, ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இன்னொரு ஆப்ஜெக்டை சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் ரிவால்யூஷன். ஃபோர்த் ஒன் இஸ் globe. GLOBE, globe. globe means globe means நம்மளோட உலகம். உலகம் வந்து உருண்டையா, இந்த உருண்டையான ஷேப்பில் இருக்கிறது தான் globe. So globe is a model of the earth. Fifth one is axis. A-X-I-S, axis. Axis means children, it's an imaginary line. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா அச்சு, ஒரு ஸ்டிக் மாதிரி ஒரு லைன் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த இமேஜினரி லைனில் தான் நம்மளோட earth வந்து ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது. ஓகே. Sixth one is space. What is that? Space. S-P-A-C-E, space. Space means children, S, நம்மளோட விண்வெளி தான். ஓகே. Week. W-E-E-K, week. Week, you know that very well. It is days of the week only. Meteors. M-E-T-E-O-R-S, meteors. Meteors means children, that is விண்கற்கள். நம்ம ஸ்பேஸில் இருக்கிற கற்கள் தான் விண்கற்கள், that is called meteors. Ninth one is leap year. L-E-A-P, leap. Y-E-A-R, year, leap year. Leap year means children, a leap year is a year which has 366 days. 10th one is season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. How many seasons do we have, children? Yes, we have generally 3 seasons only. They are summer, winter and rainy. So children, now tell me, atmosphere means valimandalam or kaatrumandalam. Rotation means சுத்துறது. Revolution, ஒரு திங் இன்னொரு திங்கா சுற்றி வருது. Globe means model of earth, which means a round shape. Axis means it's an imaginary line, அச்சு. Space. Space means வளிமண்டலம், விண்வெளி. Week means நம்மளோட வாரம். Meteors, விண்கற்கள். Leap year, 360 days is a year. Season, summer, winter and rainy. Okay children, copy and write in your classwork without spelling mistake. So sir, shall we move to the next Roman? Yes. Now write Roman 2. M in capital, A T C H, match. T H E, the. F O L L O W I N G, following. Match the following. First one is or in capital, O T A T I O N, rotation. hyphen, M in capital, ODEL, model, OF, of, E in capital, ARTH, earth, model of earth. Second one is REVOLUTION, revolution, hyphen, A in capital, STRONAUT, astronaut. Third one is LEAP, leap, YEAR, year, leap year, hyphen, DAYAND, and NIGHT, night, day and night. Fourth one is G in capital, GLOBE, globe, hyphen, SEASONS, seasons. Fifth one is NEIL, Neil, A in capital, ARMSTRONG, Armstrong, Neil Armstrong, hyphen, 366, DAYS, rotation, day and night. So write number 1. Second one is revolution, seasons. Write number 2. Third one is leap year, 366 days. Write number 3. Fourth one is globe. Globe is a model of earth. So write number 4. Fifth one is Neil Armstrong. Who is he? He is an astronaut. Write number 5. Right, children? So children, now listen to me. Second Roman, MATCH, match. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. Match the following. First one is rotation. ROTATION, rotation. The answer is day, 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 AND, and N-I-G-H-T, night, day and night. Since our earth rotates itself, so that we are getting day and night. Second one is revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, revolution. The answer is seasons. S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. So revolution means what will happen? Yes, we are getting seasons. Our earth revolves around the sun, so that we are getting seasons. Third one is leap year. What is that? Leap year. L-E-A-P, leap, Y-E-A-R, year. Leap year. Leap year means how many days? 366 days. So every 4 years once, February month gets 1 day additionally. So we will get 366 days. So that year is called leap year. Right, children? Yes. Fourth one is globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Globe means what, children? Yes, globe means it's a shape, round shape. Model of earth. The answer is model of earth. M-O-D-E-L, model of O-F of E-A-R-T-H, earth. Model of earth. Globe is a model of earth. Fifth one is Neil Armstrong. N-E-I-L, Neil Armstrong, A-R-M-S-T-R-O-N-G, Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. The answer is astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T, astronaut. So who is Neil Armstrong? He is an astronaut, and also he was the first person who landed on the moon. Right, children? Yes. So now tell me, rotation means day and night. Revolution means seasons. Leap year means 366 days. Globe is a model of earth. And Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. Right, children? Yes. So copy and write this first and second pattern in your classwork, children, without spelling mistake. Yes.